Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to provide a quick update on the transition that I was trying to do. For some reason, that library I was using, I couldn't get to work quite right the way I wanted to. However, I did find one that does work for now, and it's not exactly what I want, but it'll work. It's called Tiny-Skeleton Loader React. So if you yarn add tiny-skeleton-loader-react, and then import skeleton loader on your loading screen, you can just go ahead and return just one skeleton loader. They don't seem to be having um, other styles that go with it that I can find out. Let me just take a look here. Where's it at here? Tiny skeleton loader React. So I mean, you can add some styles like height, width, background, circle, border radius. I don't find any of them too necessary at the time. I was trying to see if I could do one here, and then let's say, man, there might be a way. Let's see. What if we say like style, right? And what if we say last name? Good class. Actually style. If I said like margin bottom 10 pixels. Let's see if I can do this. How do I do? This had to be string. Okay. What if I said this one was like the image that was like 50%? This was 25, and this was 25%. Try this. This might actually work potentially. Let's find out. Check it out. So yeah, like partially right. It's kind of what I want. Let's go take a look. So I just need to make this one 25%. Why there's extra lines there? Oh, 25%. Okay, there we go. And then just kind of adjust them for make them match up with the image. So I'd say the height of the image is actually 35, 20, and 60, 20, and 20. Check that out. So we're getting closer to what we want. So maybe this is more like 10. This is more like 70, 10, and 10. Yeah, that's going to be pretty close, I think. Let's check it out. Actually, we just have two and then one at the bottom, so it would be more like this. So put your 10 up there, 10, 10, 70, and 10. Yeah, that's not bad. So maybe 5 pixels instead of 10. I think maybe it's a bit too much margin between them, because I found if you don't put any margin, you can't really tell where the different components are. I feel like this is going to be pretty close. Let's check it out. Yeah, that's not bad, actually. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then I just brought in a color scheme on car SAS. We will just go and add a few colors. Maybe we'll make this color 1, H1. Oh, I thought that's the orange. Color 3 is orange, so I'll make that color 3. And then we'll make that a little bit bigger. REM. Maybe 2 REM. Let's see. It looks pretty good. Then we'll make maybe give this one color 2 for the H2. Is it H2 or what do we have there? We have a paragraph, so the rest of paragraphs. Maybe I can make this H2, right? And we can say H2, font size 1.8 REM, color 1. Check it out. I probably want this to be color 2 actually. I don't know if I love that. Actually, let's check it out. I don't know which one I don't like. I don't like the orange, I don't think. So what if we make, we go find a different color here. I don't really love that color. Let's go generate some more colors. Sometimes you can find a template, it works pretty well. Sometimes you find colors you just don't really want. Like that color. No, that's a good color. It's a decent color. Come on, more colors. Is this all you can get? I should be able to get more. Let me refresh that. All right, let's try it again. I like that color. I like that color. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. And find a lighter color. That's not too bad. Okay, so we go here, click on export. For some reason, I feel like this H1 needs to be a bit bigger. So let's see. Let's do 2.4 REM. Is it actually getting bigger? Yeah, there we go. It is getting bigger. Okay, so 2.6 REM. And then we can say, how do we get this height to be a little bit bigger? Just take off the height actually. It'll be dynamic. And then for the secondary color, I feel like there's some like a lot of margin going on or something. Let's see. It's really not. Okay, so that's fine. We do line height 1 just for the car. We'll put a little bit more, 1.25. There we go. And then for the H2, let's go with the color 2. That's good. And then for paragraph, we can go color 3. And then we'll do something about that span. So if we said this is color 3 for the span, then we said color 2 was the paragraph. Let's check that out. What happened there? Oh, okay. So we do need to set a fixed height on that. So on the loading screen, so what if we did this? What if we go back to the car and we do loading? And we do this. There you go. What's going on there? Where these other colors come from? Let's check it out. There we go. Okay. Loading height 45 EH. This border, don't need that obviously. There. And background color white. There you go. And we actually don't need a margin bottom on that last one, right? So this one here, this margin bottom on this last skeleton, don't need it. Just gonna get rid of it. And for some reason, I'm not loving this down here. So let's see. So that's the car, and then we need to make the card styles kind of match a little bit too. So let's grab these colors. Let's go to the card component. These up here. We made this 2.6 color 1. Interesting. What size do we make that? Do we make it each one 2.6? It seems a lot bigger on the. Yeah, I guess it's the same size, just perspective, I guess. Cool. So then we said H1 is going to be color 3. We said the paragraphs are color 2, I believe. In the paragraph. Okay, cool. So we do need to make this H2. Make the font a little bit bigger. Copy that style. And we'll go over here. And then we said the line height was 1.25. And then the price was $3. close that. There you go. And I do want to do something about the price. Let me go see what other dealerships are kind of doing for this area, because I don't want to copy them per se, but I do want to get some ideas. So let's go to Chevy car dealer. Check them out. Let's see what they're doing here. See some good examples to get some ideas. All right, so they kind of got kind of the same idea. Let's see if I like that. Let's see. So maybe just a little margin at the bottom is kind of what needs it. So what if we said heading bottom pixels? Let's check it out. Doesn't seem to get there, but let's try. That's gonna be on the card. No, it doesn't seem to be getting it. So what if we do on the card itself, heading bottom 20 pixels? I don't know if I like that or not. I think it's a matter of that paragraph just too close to. So let's see the picture. So if we go to image, right? It would say margin bottom, increase that to 15 pixels. Let's see what that looks like. And then here we can say padding bottom 15 pixels. Can I increase that? Equal. Yeah, it looks a bit better, I think. Yeah, pretty happy with that. And then maybe just make the font size a little bit bigger on the price. 1.8. Yeah, that's not bad. I like that. So let's make those same changes onto the car component. So we just went to the image, said margin bottom 15, and we say padding bottom 15 pixels, keep even, changes to 1.8 rem, and let's check it out. It should be pretty cool. Yeah, pretty happy with that. That's not too bad. It kind of flows with their button color as well. We could change the search button maybe, make it flow a little bit better with the colors, but honestly, it's not bad. So, and then last thing I think we can do is change color of this input. And we could style this, but that's for another day. Let's see here what happens if it's not really going to be responsive yet, but that's okay. We can do that another day. I just want to get the page looking nice and do some transitions. I think it looks pretty decent. Let's see if there's anything we can tweak on it. Let's see. No, I mean to the eye it looks pretty good, I think. There's image. So maybe if we move it down just a little bit more, if we go to the height, we say 15, change it to 60. Check it out. That's gonna be too much. So maybe it's gonna be right 12, and then 64. Is that no, the math is not right on that. Let's see. 66. Okay. So there's an image. It needs to come down a little bit more actually. So 10 and 10. I think we need to go the other way. So maybe closer to 8 and 8. And this would be 74%. Yeah, that's pretty close. Cool. Awesome. Well, hopefully this is helpful for you. And you can create some buttons, you go back home, or you can do a lot of things. So keep going with it if you want. And otherwise, I hope you found what we worked on helpful. We'll probably put this project aside and work on something else next time. But until next time, good luck in middle week. See you guys.